Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share another useful tool I personally needed while working on my projects. It's called the AZ Filtering Tool. The app has three main tabs: Parts, Bolts, and Connections. Let's start with the Parts tab. When you open it, all the boxes are empty. Just click Reload and the app will fetch all the parts from the model. To demonstrate, we're using a simple dummy model. The tool organizes part properties in a cascading way, starting from name, then material, then assembly prefix, and finally profile. You can filter by one or more properties. Then press Select in Model to highlight the matching parts. Or use Show Selected, which temporarily turns the other parts black for contrast. Don't worry, pressing Redraw or Show All resets the view. And that's it. Simple yet powerful. Next is the Bolts tab. Click Reload and you'll get a similar cascading setup. This time the properties are diameter, then standard, then tolerance, and finally length. Tick the boxes for the values you want and press Select in Model to highlight the matching bolts. The third tab is for connections. Same idea, press Reload and filter by connection name, then connection code, then class, also in a cascading order. Name affects everything below it, code affects class, and class filters itself only. So now, you no longer need to create complex selection or view filters just to find what you're looking for. You don't have to dig through bolt reports to check if some bolts have the wrong tolerance. It's all in one tool. And always remember, free Palestine. To test the performance, we duplicated the dummy structure 30 times. Pressing Reload in the Parts tab took about 35 seconds. That's because the tool goes through each part and reads its properties. We're currently working on making this faster by using threading and async functions. When selecting or showing filtered parts, it takes around 4 to 5 seconds, which is pretty fast and still very accurate. Of course, the more items there are, the longer it may take. For bolts, reloading took about a minute. It found around 7,000 bolts, which is a lot. But still, we know this part still needs some optimization. As for connections, reloading took around 21 seconds, and after that, you have everything you need. We are actively improving the tool to make it faster and more stable. But even now, it shows how powerful the Tekla API is and how much time it can save. And once again, free Palestine.